What's up?
This is scary as fuck. Oh! Get shot up!
Die!
Where is he?
How did he not die from my impact? Are you down below? Are you down below?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Damn, I died. I lit into him, bro.
Which one is him? Ooh, I'm getting shot up by a player?
Shoot anyone now.
What is this guy doing? Die! Ah!
I used...
What ammo are you using?
What? 866 damage? What?
He's healing now.
Beep boop. What ammo are you using?
Hold on. Oh, he's healing up here.
Kill him. He's hurt, dude. I heard him.
Ah, fuck, he's done healing.
Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Get him, dude. Get him.
Where is he?
He was down below.
You bitch! Oh!
Alright. It's time to make a nice kill.
I'm gonna get fucking killed by a scav. Oh! Come on.
You said I ain't dying today, boy.
No!